Yo, what's up? Good day mga tol. So, this is my first fragrance review. So, I will be reviewing, kita nyo naman sa laptop ko. So, we are reviewing my first ever niche fragrance, Creed Aventus. So, here, I have an F batch. You can see below. Wait, focus natin. So, I have the batch F004083 batch. So, actually, hindi ko pa naamoy yung mga recent batch na sinasabi nila. Kasi may batch daw na smoky, mas dominant yung pagka-smoky niya. Mas dominant, may ibang batch na mas dominant yung pagka-fruity. Pero, in my case, in my F batch bottle, ano lang balance lang yung pagka-fruity niya. Fruity and smoky niya. So, in terms of performance, ewan ko ba kasi hindi ko alam kung nose blind ba ako or kasi sa mga according sa mga Creed Aventus users, known daw na nakaka-nose blind yung DNA ng Creed Aventus. May reviewer niya naman na nagsasabi na na-spray niya morning, after that ilang hours hindi na niya maamoy, kala niya wala na yung pabango niya, pero after that mga noon or afternoon may nag-compliment na ang bango niya daw. So akala lang niya na nose blind siya. So in my case, I don't know man, pero OG is OG pa rin eh. So, yeah. So, kung wala ka namang budget to buy the OG, may suggest ako na so far sa naamoy kong mga DNA nito, yung pinaka malapit na scent dito is yung Club de Nuit. First of all, walang nagbayad sa akin para ma-review ko tong dalawang to. Sa lahat, it's all in my personal opinion. Kasi gusto ko lang talagang makatulong eh. Gusto ko lang na malaman ng iba na instead of buying the OG, wala ka namang budget, you can buy this instead. So, in my experience, na-compare ko na sila side by side eh. Na-spray ko ng Creed dito sa left, na-spray ko yung Club de Nuit sa right arm ko. So, opening. Let's go sa opening. Creed Aventus opens a bright citrusy pineapple. Okay? Fruity siya. Okay? Compare dito sa Club de Nuit Extrait de Parfum, medyo may pagka-lemony talaga yung opening niya. Pero, konting-konti na talaga yung difference nila. Okay? After 2 to 3 minutes, that lemony vibe parang nawawala na. Parang nag-shift na siya into fruity scent. And after that few minutes, parang walis tuwa na sila. In my nose, okay? In my nose. Kasi magkaiba tayo ng ilong eh. Siguro sa iyo, iba. Pero sa akin, pareha lang. So, this is an extrait, okay? So, which means na mas long-lasting ito. This is an EDP. Pero sana gawin nilang extrait ito, siguro ang ganda siguro. Mas long lasting kung i-extrait nila to. So, yeah. Hindi po ako binayaran para mag-review nito. So, I'm just trying to help. So, this one, I bought it from Sniff Street sa Orange app. So this one, I bought it from Dubai Shop Baliwag. So if you want to purchase, I will be posting the link below. So if you have the budget naman, go for OG. Go for OG. Pero kung may OG ka, gusto mong tipirin to, go for X-Straight, okay? X-Straight, not EDT, not EDP, not Pure Parfum, not limited edition, X-Straight. Pero if you're in a pinaka-tight na budget na talaga, walang budget lang talaga, you can go actually for EDT. Actually, EDT is much more projecting kasi the lesser the oil concentration, mas projecting eh. I'm not saying na hindi to projecting yung X-Straight. Same higher oil concentration to eh. Kasi may mga niche na din, di ba, na yung X-Straight nila, grabe din maka-project. So, yeah, it's your choice. So, Creed and Club de Nuit, pasok sa akin to. It's a wrap. Thanks for listening, guys. Follow for more videos.